This is HRweb Intuit Desktop Synchronization Test. And step one to the synchronization is the client would go to their HRweb account, the page here, and from here they want to log in. Once they've signed into their account, step one for synchronization, they would want to go to their settings menu up here at the top. Select external data synchronization here. From here, they can choose the product. I'm doing QuickBooks Desktop, so I'm going to choose that today. I say OK. Following my instructions, first thing I want to do is launch my QuickBooks Desktop and open my company file. Once my company file is open, I can quickly download the Web Connector here at the link here. I can save it to my computer, unzip it, and install it, which I have already done. First thing I want to do is I want to download the QuickBooks Sync. It's the configuration file, so I'm going to download that here. Once that's done, I can launch my Web Connector. I can as our instructions say, we can click Add an Application here. Locate where I've downloaded my HRweb QuickBooks Sync. Located here. Double click on that. It'll ask for authorization, and I say OK. Once authorization is cleared, I'm going to go ahead and it's added my account. I want to check this here. But first, before I do that, I want to enter the password. Paste in my password here. Actually, yes, I want to save my password. And once I save my password, I click this checkbox and click Update Selected. Once it's complete and clicked OK, I can refresh this screen here. And then you see now I'm connected to QuickBooks Desktop, but I do not have a synchronization yet. I click my QuickBooks Desktop, and here I can click Auto Create Records to bring in my employees. And I can also click Enable Time Sync because I want to synchronize time clock data. I want to choose my initial synchronization date and my regular pay code from my QuickBooks Desktop. I want to put that here in this. So I want to save the changes here. And once that's done, I can do this. I can do the synchronization. So I want to synchronize from here. As you see, it brought in 2 external employees, John and Sarah. And since they don't have any time clock shifts, it has not processed any of those. I can go to my employees module and see that both my employees are here, and they're both indicated that they're both linked to QuickBooks, so that's good. From the attendance module, if I add any time and I want to synchronize it with QuickBooks Desktop, I'll bring up the timesheet, and I'm going to add a few time entries here. Now, once I've either added time entries or my employees have punched in and out using our time clock, if I want to bring that timesheet data into my QuickBooks Desktop, I want to go back to Settings here. go to my external data synchronization, click on my current link, and here I want to go ahead and click synchronize. When I click synchronize, it tells me it does have shifts to bring in. It wants to add shifts, but I need to initiate an external connection. Then I want to bring up my web connector, and then I want to update my selected account. Once that is complete, I can come to my QuickBooks desktop. I can go to my weekly timesheet. I can choose the employee, and I can see that their time has been brought in and migrated over from HRweb. Now, should I want to do anything like add days or alter time or anything else like that, I can do so. For example, I'm going to add a new shift here. I'm going to delete this shift here on Tuesday. And I'm going to extend the length of this shift. So once you make alterations, once you're complete with any alterations or any additions or deletions you need to make, I want to go back to my settings, go back to my external data synchronization, and run my synchronize process again. It has collected my updated and removed shifts and my added shifts. Once that's done, I want to run my web connector again, update selected. Then after that is complete, I can bring up my QuickBooks desktop. And I can see that my times have been updated. And if so, I can double check that data just to be sure. And I can see that my timesheet entries here also have been synchronized with my QuickBooks desktop. And that is HRweb QuickBooks desktop synchronization. Thank you very much.